I'm Fatma Rabia Urun from Laboratory for Neurodiversity in Riken Center for Brain Science. I'm working on understanding how neural stem cells are renewing themselves and how the mechanism between the self-renewal and the neuronal differentiation is being maintained. I pursued molecular biology and genetics back in Turkey, and after I graduated from there, I started a technical staff position in my current lab actually. And after 3.5 years of being a technician, I decided to apply for graduate school. I didn't have master's, but my research experience was counted as master's, and I directly started the PhD program. I got my PhD in March 2021, and since then I'm a postdoctoral researcher in my lab, and now in the process of finalizing our projects and submitting the paper for the research. I've heard of Riken when I was back home in my university through an instructor. I found the brain science related department, and I was really amazed by how diverse the research being conducted in Riken. I like the fact that it makes it easier for students to be able to conduct research in Riken. With this graduate program, you can be actually settled in a lab in Riken and do your research while pursuing your PhD simultaneously from your university. And you can learn a lot from people around you because most of them are great researchers from everywhere, coming from all around the world and in Japan. It's helping us to build that confidence to be better junior scientists. I just suggest people to follow their heart's desires, so nothing is really out of reach once you put your heart and effort into it. So if they are thinking for instance, some place is too good for themselves, they shouldn't really. They just should contact the PI or maybe the graduate school office and get the information about the institute and the lab. So I believe it is always best to try harder for what you want to do, and I hope we'll have some new young researchers soon in Riken.